Hello, folks. Today we're going to start by taking a look at bringing up the previously built hosts, and we are going to start penetration testing them. This should be rather amusing because it's been like 5 minutes since I've actually done anything productive with pen testing. So, in difference to that, we're going to defer to the p-test model. We're going to be working toward gaining some kind of unprivileged access because we know for a fact that Bind is running as a local user itself called Bind. But that being said, I doubt we're going to get anything because Bind is currently patched in both instances. Either way, we should be able to reveal one of the reasons why security through obscurity doesn't work very well. If the attacker has visibility into your infrastructure, you're kind of in a bad way to begin with. You're fighting uphill, and you're losing. So let's go back to the screen share. Oh no. What's that? Technical difficulties. That's technical difficulties button. View capture device. Existing. Hey, that's entirely too big and in the wrong corner. Let's make it smaller. Oh, look at me. And so now that we've sufficiently prepared ourselves, hi puppy dog. I'm so easily distracted. Aww. Yeah, the dog is something else. Anyway, let's, let's see about doing something productive. I suppose the easiest way to go about being productive is to be in code. So let's launch Visual Studio Code. And within code, we'll go ahead and run a couple other things. Namely, we will. Yeah, I don't know why, but sure likes to chat quite a bit. Chatty application. Let's see. So we have our bind puppet. We have our bind. Let's pardon me. Let's do this via the bind puppet first. So we're going to vagrant the bind puppet. We'll probably have to mess with networking a little bit because I don't know what environment those hosts are brought up in. And this is going to fail bomb because I don't have VirtualBox launched. So we'll go ahead and launch our Oracle product VirtualBox, and open this up and running. We can see that we can remove that, and we did. So now we can go back to here and bring back up, which brings up an instance of our bind host here. Very cool. And then we have our luxury of already having installed Kali Linux, which is reasonable. 2025.3, which is 2025.4 is the fourth quarter, so it's fairly recent. It'll do the job. Or we can run Black Arch. Either way, we're going to have the tool set that we need to do the job. Oh yeah, so DNS is doing its thing. It's mad at me, Vagrant. Ew, I'm typing in the wrong spot. So, Vagrant, destroy F. Vagrant. Now we'll be in business. And if memory serves, I've already been messing with Earth and Kali in the same network. So they are both in something called NOW network. They can reach each other. This is in NAT, so we will have to do something fancy to swing it over to NAT network. I think the way that we can. Oh my. Oh wow. We're just connecting out everywhere. Network. Okay. Hopefully it applies. Yeah, it does apply that dynamically. Because we could specify it in the Vagrant file. We should specify it in the Vagrant file if we cared. We don't. SSH died. So let's run Vagrant up one more time. See if we can get connected to that. Let's Vagrant destroy F. We'll have to do it in the more traditional manner. So we go out to our friendly browser and we say VirtualBox Vagrant Provider Network. And we find that the AI, there we go. So it's removed the host. It is, yeah, it is removed the host. It has removed the host. And we are now ready to go into config VM network. And instead of public network, we'll use our aptly named settings network. Oh, hell. It doesn't provide us the name of the network. Adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3, yeah. So adapter 1, adapter 2, NAT network. Name is NAT network. Cancel. Discard changes. We go and call it NAT. Yeah, failed typing. There we are. NAT. We'll save it. And oh my, Visual Studio Code is feisty today. Vagrant up. You what? Well. No, I don't want AI. Go away. I want networking virtual. That's what we're looking for. Private network. Okay, we can work with that. Yeah, of course AI just made up bullshit. Of course we didn't ask it very good things. So let's go ahead and do network 1. This is the name. So now if we do this, Vagrant up, bring up the host, correct NAT, which is an environment that allows us to reach it from the Kali network. No. Okay, so we took away the default network. Where's our... Okay, where is our communications with the host itself? toolbox didn't tell you. Okay. Well, then we just need to add a separate nick. Okay, you can select a new provider as default. I'm not interested in this. Let's see if somebody out on Stack Overflow has had some more challenges. So I expect to have as IP, but I always have the first one is NAT with port forwarding to my local machine. No. There we go. Save and bring that host. Oh my. Really? And bring the host up. We don't have one named network. Let's look at our network options. Oh, come on. I want to go into settings. I don't want to start the damn thing. Cancel the host. Power off the machine. And I want to see the network settings. Okay. Oh, I closed it. Let's see if we take out all of this nonsense. And it's all nonsense, right? We're going to destroy it. And then bring it up. Okay, what network are we working on? Oh hell, that's not what I want.
Doing okay?
Yep, thank you. Yeah, I need to review this. Hey. Oh, this is obnoxious. Okay, so let's do settings. When we review the settings and we go under network, we see that we have attached to NOT. But not network. So if it's NAT and not NAT network. Oh, wow. So oh my. So what happens if we do both NAT and NAT network? This will complicate things. What do the documentation offers? Private network. Let's see what happens. Yeah, let's destroy that. Bring it back up with the network. And this is always the challenge with this type of infrastructure, this methodology of managing it. Oh, we're in the same namespace Ruby-wise, so we don't need to worry about that. End is not necessary, and it's not going to overrun itself. Oh, blast. Another fun thing is you cannot change this config and still hope to end the host. Vagrant destroy. And it goes away. Now we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Save it and see if it blends. So if we do Vagrant up, let me see the name network NAT. It still doesn't like what we're trying to do to it. This makes no sense. Oh, they can't both be virtual. Okay. They can't both be either the iNet, the internal network. Let's try that. Syntax error. NAT. So is it name that we're not agreeing with? Probably. Oh, I see. It's not true. It is NAT. And there is no name for that one. Let's see if it makes it past that first one. Hey, it kind of likes that idea. Oh, hey, there. NAT network could not be found. Well, okay. So thinking through this error, we are seeing network cannot be found in that network. If the neighbor satisfies right? We should have that network. It already exists. If we go to network, we see that we have chapter 1 is bridged. This doesn't make a whole awful lot of sense. This is making less sense as I look at it. So what if we go and we said, okay, our Kali box, let's bring it up because we know we're going to need it. Let's look at our networking because we know we're going to have it. Attach to network. At network. So now are we able to bring up the host? No. So let's say it's NAT. Allow. Okay, let's try. And we're going to look at Vagrant. VirtualBox. I doubt AI has anything useful to say. Config VM network public network. Let's see what possible values comes back as. It looks like private network, public network, iNet, Mac. I don't know what's going on. Huh. Private network. network. Ported port. The only logical answer is private network. And it has a name, a known name of NAT network, NETWORK. NETWORK. Allow. Let's see. Okay, we're going to resort to searching the error message. This is a hell of a lot easier in KVM. Yeah, AI is no good. Let's see. So what did they do? Private network IP. They didn't do a private network. Or they didn't do a secret network. Oh. I don't think we have the directive VBox manage. Could be wrong. Oh, hey, yes we do. VBox manage NAT network. How do we list networks? This is a different question. I'm used to working with KVM. VBox manage list networks. And that should be list. What if we just list? Ah, yes. List nets. And we see that network. So how do we use it? VBox manage show VM info. VBox manage show VM info. What's our Kali box name? I'm not going to remember that. Settings. What's your name? You won't let me select your name while you're running? That's ridiculous. This software shit. Alright. Out of rage, I'm going to quit for now, and I'll come back to it when we have something productive. Thanks for tuning in, folks.